Phylum Platyhelminthes. The Platyhelminthes is part of the Protostomia, Bilateria, Eumetazoa, and Metazoa colonies. Scientific classification: Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Platyhelminthes. Class, Custodia. Order, Psychophilidae. Family, Taenidae. Genus, Taenia. And species, Tassolium. An adult tapeworm consists of a knob-like head or scolex equipped with hooks for attaching to the intestinal wall of the host, which may be a human, a neck region, and a series of flat rectangular body segments or proglottids generated by the neck. The chain of proglottids may reach a length of 4.6 meters to 6.1 meters. Tapeworms are bilaterally symmetrical. Organisms with bilateral symmetry can be divided into equal halves or mirror images along a single plane, which passes from the interior to the posterior of the animal. As a consequence of bilateral symmetry, these animals show active, directed movement that has fostered the development of sensory organs and nervous tissues in the interior parts of the body. This development is known as cephalization. Pork tapeworms are triploblastic animals. This means the cells of the embryo organize themselves into 3 layers of cells. The third layer of cells is called the mesoderm and is formed between the ectoderm and endoderm of the embryo. Cells of mesodermal origin can become a thick mass and make up the bulk of the body of most animals. Cells of ectodermal origin make up the skin surface. Cells of endodermal origin line the gut. Triploblastic animals often have larger bodies. Tapeworm, being triploblastic animals, have a cavity inside the body called the alimentary canal, or gut, where food is digested by enzymes or absorbed. Being triploblastic means they only have one opening to the gut. Disadvantages of having only one opening are digested wastes called feces will mix with the new food being taken in, and one space has to carry out all the different functions, so it cannot work efficiently. Tapeworms have a complete digestive system but no internal body space. That makes them aculeate triploblastic animals, meaning they have no aculum. The pork tapeworm's body plan and sleeky feature allows them to survive easily within the intestine of a human being. Their knob-like head also allows them to hook onto the intestine, absorbing the host's digested food through its cuticle or outer covering. Their long length and flat width feature determines that they are made to be living in the intestine, as they grow in the same shape as what they are living in. The Taenia affects the human being all negatively, as it is a parasitic tapeworm that infects pigs and humans. It originates from the soil, then transfers through the mucosa to the tissue of the pig. It then transfers to the human through the pork being eaten while it is undercooked. Symptoms of the tapeworm are occasionally diarrhea, vague abdominal cramps, flatulence, distension, and nausea. Mental deterioration and seizures are rare complications, occurring only when larval forms of the worm invade brain tissue. Pork tapeworm infection can be prevented by cooking pork properly. Once it is inside the body, the tapeworm can be eliminated by specific anthelmintic drugs or surgery. The drug of choice is usually praziquantel, which should be given in a dose large enough to cause the worm to release its hold and pass out through the intestinal tract. If the head is found in the evacuated feces, no further treatment is necessary. However, if the head is not found, the worm could regenerate in 2 to 3 months, with segments reappearing in the stools. Tapeworms commit to fatal deaths around the world, and it is said to be that approximately 25 million people are infected with the pork tapeworm parasite each year, and some 25,000 die of it annually.